Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Rose Ara's Investments. My name is Ara, and I found an exciting new company this morning, and I've been reading about it for the last few hours. So I'm on NASDAQ.com website right now reading about it. The symbol is PDD, and it stands for Pinduoduo. It's a new Chinese company. It's about 3 years old, and this IPO is going to make the founder, oh shit, I forget his name. Zheng Huang. It's going to make the founder one of the 25 richest people in China after only 3 years. And this guy used to be a Google developer, so he wasn't exactly broke before, but now he's going to be in the elite billionaires list. This IPO is going to bring him to a personal wealth of about $8.3 billion. So I love finding these little companies, and I shouldn't even say little company because this is going to have a $21 billion market cap by the end of this. So I'll give you some context what the company's about. It will be the third biggest e-commerce company in China. Alibaba's the first by far, and JD.com, which is much more similar to Amazon, is the second biggest. So this will be the third biggest. But I also read that PDD, Pinduoduo, has more daily active daily active shoppers or daily active users than JD.com. So measured by users, they might be the second biggest. It depends on how you want to look at it. So this is a company that, first of all, I will tell you up front that I'm absolutely going to buy myself. I'm going to buy a very small amount, and then if the stock drops about 25 to 50%, I'll probably buy a bigger stake in the company. But this is a very, very fast growing company, and I love to get in on the day of the IPO, or at least that week. So that's really your chance to make hundreds of percent return. Your best chance is getting in right away. So I'll just go down the list and read you some stuff about the company. So this is based in Shanghai. The company website is pinduoduo.com. And like I said, it's an e-commerce company. And they are famous for having a little bit of a social media aspect and a very discount aspect, maybe 20% cheaper than similar companies. And that's because customers have the chance to buy stuff direct from the wholesaler. So it says they have 1,100 employees. They filed for the IPO status June 29th of 2018, and the symbol will be PDD, as I said. The share price will be $16 to $19 in that range. And because the overall market is going good, I would definitely expect it to be on the high end of that range. A lot of these IPOs have opened at the high end of the range, so I would personally guess that it's going to be $19. But because Chinese stocks in particular are struggling a little bit, it might, that might affect. So I don't know. I'm just a guy that found out about this company today, so take that for what it's worth. But just from my experience, it seems like it would open on the higher end of the range. But if you've been following recent Chinese IPOs, they have done very, very tremendously. Bilibili has gone up tremendously. Huya, which was part of YY, has gone up like 100%. And same thing with IQ, which was part of Baidu. That's gone up 100%. So if you would have invested in those, you would have 100% returns in like all three of them. So, it definitely seems worth the gamble. And in my mind, it is similar to gambling, but it's kind of gambling with an edge because you're investing in a company that is growing revenues very, very fast. And just as a side thought, it's amazing that these CEOs become worth $8 billion when the company itself is still losing money. That's just amazing to me. So anyway, like I said, $16 to $19 range, and the number of shares offered is going to be 85 million shares, which is, no one knows ahead of time, but the offer amount listed on NASDAQ.com is $1.8 billion. That's how much they're going to raise. So who knows if that's going to be true or not. You don't really know until the day of the IPO. And let's see. So the shares outstanding, 85 million, and lockup period is going to be 180 days. So that's going to be really interesting to watch. And I'll just read the company description for you, just so you don't hear my version of it. You hear exactly what they said. We are an innovative and fast-growing new e-commerce platform, they're 3 years old, that provides buyers with value-for-money merchandise and fun and interactive shopping experiences. Our Pinduoduo mobile platform offers a comprehensive selection of attractively priced merchandise, featuring a dynamic social shopping. Oh, there's more. I didn't realize there was more. Sorry. featuring a dynamic social shopping experience that leverages social networks as an effective and efficient tool for buyer acquisition and engagement. As a side note, the reason why I heard about this company is because Tencent, the Facebook of China, had invested huge amounts of money in this company, and they are planning on buying $250 million more of it. So let's see. As a result of our innovative business model, we have been able to quickly expand our buyer base and establish our brand recognition and market position. We are one of the leading Chinese e-commerce players in terms of GMV, which is gross merchandise volume, or gross merchandise value, and the number of total orders. Our GMV in 2017 and the 12-month period ended June 30, 2018 was, and this is in Chinese dollars, $141 billion. And dividing that by about 7, that would be about $20 billion in US dollars, off the top of my head, rough ballpark math. And Chinese dollars, RMB, 262 billion, which is approximately $40 billion in US dollars. In 2017 and the first quarter of 2018, the number of total orders placed on our Pinduoduo mobile platform reached 4.3 billion and 1.7 billion orders respectively. So that is amazing growth, amazing growth. That's why I want to get in early and just take a shot on this new company. So let's see what else they wrote. Let's see. We pioneered an innovative team purchase model on our platform. Buyers can access our platform and make team purchases by either visiting our platform directly or through popular social networks such as Weixin and QQ. They are encouraged to share product information on such social networks and invite their friends, family, and social contacts to form a shopping team to enjoy the more attractive prices under the team purchase option. As a result, buyers on our platform actively introduce us to and share products offered on our platform in their shopping experiences with their friends, family, and social contacts. New buyers, in turn, refer our platform to their broader family and social networks, generating low-cost organic traffic and active interactions and leading to exponential growth of our buyer base, which is why they quickly have more buyers than JD.com, which was amazing for me to read this morning because JD is huge. And if you guys don't know, that's definitely one of the companies that I invest in because their growth is so huge. So in the 12-month periods ended December 31, 2017 and June 30, 2018, the number of active buyers on our platform reached 245 million and 344 million people respectively. That is crazy. That's so many people. I mean, so many people using this. It's amazing that it's still a private company. It's just becoming an IPO now. They're just having their IPO now. So, this is basically already a big company. So at a $21 billion valuation, we might be getting a deal here. Who knows? I thought IQ was overvalued, and I still bought shares of that, and it went up 100% for me, 100% in like a month or two. It's ridiculous. IQ, for those of you that don't know, is like Netflix and YouTube of China. Our large and highly active user base has helped attract merchants to our platform, and the scale of our sales volume has encouraged merchants to offer even more competitive pricing and customized products and services to buyers, thus forming a virtuous cycle. In the 12-month period ended March 31, 2018, we had over 1 million active merchants on our platform offering a broad range of product categories. So one cool thing that I like to point out for people buying into these speculative type situations, this is a real company. This is a company that has real revenue growth. They have real sales. They have millions of people, hundreds of millions of people using the platform. And they just said they have 1 million merchants selling on their platform. So they have lots of sellers and they have lots and lots of buyers. That's so important. This is a real company. So it pays to invest in these companies before they become so mainstream. And it seems like this is already a mid to large cap company. So they are doing things the right way. That's my initial impression of it. And I am, like I said, I'm definitely buying, I'm buying some shares, and this could definitely be one of them. Just a gut feeling. This could be one of them that could go up 100%. I know I've been wrong on YY.com for those of you that watch, but I still own all those shares on YY.com. And YRD, Urandai, I still own all my YRD shares. I have a good feeling about this. I think a lot of Chinese stocks are getting a little bit of a bad rep because they always hear about Trump talking about tariffs. And in general, I do think tariffs are a bad thing, and I wish there wasn't so much talk about tariffs. I wish stuff in general was just cheaper for Chinese consumers and American consumers like me. But it is what it is, and hopefully these super low prices in some of these Chinese companies that are actually really growing revenues, you know, in hindsight, we're going to find out that these prices are super, super cheap. Super duper cheap. So I'm kind of excited, even though the prices for some stuff is down a little bit. I'm actually really excited, and I think this is going to be my next one. If you want to go to the NASDAQ.com website, that's where I'm getting the lion's share of my information from. I feel like NASDAQ is usually the most reliable, so you can go there. And actually, I'll post a link in the description to my video below to where I'm reading from and getting all my information. So if you want some further info, you can go there. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I see that I already have almost 300 subscribers, and I'm flattered that 300 people actually want to hear what I have to say. But I'm also super happy that I've helped some people start their investing career, and I've helped some parents start investing for their children. So that actually makes me feel good. I don't get money for these videos. It is purely to help people. If you realize, there's no advertisements on any of my videos, so I don't get any money for this. This is purely to help you guys right now. So thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and thanks for the thumbs up. Bye, guys.